In this video, I'm going to talk about Memecoin. I'm going to give you an introduction to Memecoin, what Memecoin is, and how you can start trading Memecoins. With Memecoin, you can easily flip your $10 to $100. You can easily get a 2x, a 100x, and a lot of money. I believe most of you heard about the Chopcoin. When Chopcoin came out, a lot of people made money from Chopcoin. When Chigai came out, a lot of people made money from Chigai and those stuff. These are Memecoins, and many people are making money from it on a daily basis, and you can really make money. I know somebody who make constant money, like constant 1k dollars from Memecoin every week. Me personally, I do make money from Memecoin. So in this video, I'm going to introduce you into Memecoin. I'm going to get you started on how you can start trading Memecoin, and you can join my Telegram channel where I'll be dropping Memecoin that you could buy. That's going to make profits for you from time to time. The link to my Telegram channel will be in the description box. Now let's just use Wikipedia to define what a meme coin is. First, a meme coin is also spelled. A meme coin is a cryptocurrency that originated from an internet meme or has some other emails characteristics. As you can see, a meme coin is a coin that was generated from a funny meme in the internet. You get. The term is sometimes used interchangeably with the term shitcoin, which typically refers to a cryptocurrency related to no value, authenticity, or utility. So, meme coins are coins that are originated from an from a funny quote, from a funny post on the internet, and also they have no utility, which basically means that this coin can there has no real value like Bitcoin, like Tron coin that has value. Meme coin has no value, and this coin can easily increases in price and can easily decrease in price. Popular meme coins are actually the popular meme coins are the Orc coin, which was released in 2024, the Fat coin, the Trump, Millennial Dogecoin, and others. These are popular meme coin. So, meme, you want to understand about meme coins that meme coin can easily increases in price, can easily decreases in price. You get. If in meme coin, what you deal with is actually the market cap, yes, specifically market cap, not the price of the coin. As you can see, this particular coin pin, this top one right here, is currently at 332k market cap. If you happen to know or happen to see this coin on time when it was launched, probably at 100k market cap, and now it's at 300k market cap, and you bought it at that time when the coin was at 100k market cap, you would have made a 3x on your profit. If the coin they launch the coin maybe at 10k market cap and currently at 300k market cap, that is over 30x, over 50x on this particular coin. This coin coming right here called Amazon. Get called Amazon, and this particular coin right now is at what 180k market cap. If it goes up to like 300k market cap or 500k market cap, you may profit from it. So these are coins, meme coins work. Meme coin works by increase in price. Get. So for you to start trading meme coins, you can't just come up to Dexscreener and start buying meme coins. Get. A lot of things that you need to do, a little research you need to do so that you not get scammed. A lot of scammers on this platform, a lot of people creating meme coin. Meme coin has no real values. One thing you put in mind when trading meme coin is that every meme coin goes down to zero. Get. Every meme coin goes down to zero. Get. So let me open up one meme coin for you. Let me check the chart and show you some things that I'm trying to explain. Meme coins are created on a daily basis, and mindset in which they're using creating meme coin is that if they create a meme coin has increased its all-time high, people will start moving their money from it, and meme coin is going straight down to zero. If you want to start trading meme coin, what you need is actually you need Solana. You need Solana. You need Dexscreener. This Dexscreener website that I'm in. With Dexscreener website, you can easily find the next. You can easily find Memecoin on Dexscreener, and you need what? You need Solana, you need Dexscreener, and you need some Telegram bots to check. Get. So in this particular Memecoin called 2Q, the market cap is 107k market cap, and in the past 24 hours, the coin has done 38%. In the past 6 hours, 30%. Past 1 hour it has done minus 37, and past 1 minute has done minus 40. As you can see, it's done minus 40, which means that this particular coin is going down to zero probably. It's going down to zero probably. You can see the price and all those stuff. I'm going to make a detailed video, or I already had a detailed video to teach you guys how you can research coin on Dexscreener. But I just want to show you some basic things when I said that every meme coin is created with the mindset that once the coin has got it to its all-time high or highest it has got it to, people will start selling off the coin and the coin goes back to zero, and they look for new meme coin to invest their money in. Okay, because price of meme coin actually gets to increases very fast. Okay, you can see what I'm talking about. Like, this is the chart for this particular coin. You can see the coin was created around this place, around this line, right, which is like around 52k market cap. This is when the coin was created. The coin went as high as up to 400k market cap. So if you buy this particular coin, was created at 40k, 50k market cap, and went to as high as 400k market cap, this division, this is like more than this is like more than 7x, or even more than 7x on it. Usually means that if you invested $100 on this particular trade, you would have like made $700. If you put in $10, you have made $30, stuff like that. This is what it means. And currently now everybody is currently taking profit, and the coin is going to go down to zero. So once it goes down to zero, people will go back to look for more coins, new coins, because there are coins, more meme coins have been created on a daily basis on Dexscreener. So like I said, you need Phantom wallet, you need Dexscreener, and you need a Telegram boost to get started on trading meme coins. You understand? So you just have to go down to your browser and search for Dexscreener. It is spelled at DES. This is it, Dexscreener.com. Yeah, on Dexscreener is where you get to research coins. You get research coins. There are a lot of tons of coins that is created on Dexscreener, even on daily basis. You get, I click on this place, and put in, and you want coins that was created in the last 5 minutes, and it's going to give me coins that was created in the last 5 minutes. I'm going to put this at new page. You can see I put it at new page, meaning the coins that we created newly in like new page 6 hours or 1 hour ago. Can we put it at new word? It's going to pack, give me those coins. You can see I say particular coin was created 26 minutes ago. This 3 hours, 4 hours. As you can see, this is currently at 25k market cap. It was created just uh 3 hours ago. You can still put coin that was created 1 hour ago and all this stuff. So with this coin, you can use this coin to look for coin. The idea is for you to look for potentially new coins that, and like potential new coins, and buy those coins. And when the coin increases in prices, you buy those particular coins and you profit off it. Very simple. Another thing that you need for trading Memecoin is what's called Phantom Wallet. Phantom Wallet. Yes, with Phantom Wallet, we'll be using this wallet to actually buy the coin. You get, we need Phantom Wallet. Phantom Wallet is made specifically for trading, well, for trading Memecoin. You get. So I'm teaching you how to make use of it. Download it on your Play Store or on your Apple Store. By using laptop, you can also download the extension. Once you have downloaded it, you can simply open up your Phantom wallet and set it up. You get, set it up. You'll be given a secret phrase. Ensure you write a secret phrase down. Then the next thing is for you to fund your Phantom wallet with Solana. You get, because we don't use USDT to trade. Yes, we use Solana to trade on Phantom wallet, on buying and selling meme coin. We make use of Solana. So this is how your Phantom wallet is going to look like. All you need to do is for you to tap on receive, copy your Solana wallet address, then go to any exchange of your address, buy Solana and send it into your wallet. Once you have done that, you are ready to go. The next thing you need to do is for you to set up this Telegram bot that you can be using to check if for work pool or stuff like that. Familiar with any terms, don't worry, with time you are going to get familiar with them. So let's see this damn coin I was created 48 minutes ago, and and what, let's see. So I'm going to like click this. Is coin market cap is 62k market cap, abi? Okay, 230k market cap. I'm going to open up the coin for you so that I can copy the correct address and show you what I mean. So right now it's showing that this coin market cap is 220k market cap, and in the last 5 minutes it has done 32%. Last 1 hour 257% and stuff like that. This has a volume is 4.8 million volume, total buys, total sales, and let's check in 5 minutes what are the volume. 5 minute volume is 103. It's still good. So I copy the contract address from this place, right? Tap here, I copy the contract address. If you scroll down, you can check the, you can see their social media. You can search them on Twitter to see if they're on Twitter. You get all those stuff. So right now, what you need to do is to copy it, see it, connect address, go back to the Telegram bot, and just paste the connect address Telegram bot. So you need to at least check the chart to find a good entry. You get. Yes, look at the chart, find a good entry, wait for it retraces, and if it retraces, you buy and stuff like that. So you can simply click on this place that says chart, and this is the chart. This way you can see the chart and transaction. You can click on the chart and see the chart. You can see it went as high as up to like 600k in a 50-meter frame, and it's going down right here and 107k. So you can monitor the trade, and if it gets down below 107k, probably up to like 120 or 80k market cap, can simply buy it, and if it increases you sell it off. You understand? So if for example you want to buy this particular coin, it is now good, like you have done all the things necessary, you have found an entry and you want to enter this particular trade, all you need to do is simply go back to your Phantom wallet that you have found. So you need to open up your Phantom wallet. So on your Phantom wallet, you may come to this place, right? This is where the app or the browser section. So once it loads up, what we're doing is that we're going to make use of website called Jupiter or Radium. You get, but we make use of Jupiter. Reason is that because Jupiter from time to time usually do giveaway, and those people who uses their platform are always one that gets the giveaway. So I'm going to tap on Jupiter. It's going to take me to the Jupiter website. All I'll be doing is to connect my wallet, and let's just wait for it to load so that I can show you what I want to show you. Once you're on Jupiter, the first thing to do is to connect to wallet. You're going to wallet through this place. Once you connect to wallet, the next thing is for you to swap this. You get, so swap this. So Solana is currently in this place. Let me click on this again. As you can see this, sorry, as you can see this place, you have Solana in your wallet, right? So that's Solana. You use Solana to buy this particular coin. So below right here, you're going to paste the contract address of the coin that you copy. I'll paste the contract address, which is this. So once you paste it, you just have to click on it, as you can see. So you have Solana. You only sell your Solana to buy this particular coin. So you can type in the amount of Solana you want to use, that $2 or your old dollar, anything how many amount you want to use. If you click on swap, right, it's going to swap this. It's going to swap it, and it's going to buy this particular coin for you. You understand? And if you also want to say the same, if you want to say, you just have to alternate it. Put the coin that you want to sell upward, put the Solana that you want to convert to down here, and you can simply swap. You understand? So guys, this is a brief intro on how you can start trading Memecoin. You should know that Memecoin is actually a very volatile coin. Just like I said, for Memecoin, once Memecoin gets to the all-time high, what happens is that they will keep on decreasing until they eventually gets to zero. So if you want to make the most out of Memecoin, you need to look for Memecoin that is that just got launched recently, get newly. Understand? So if particularly you're able to know when this coin was launched recently, and you entered when it was launched recently and when it was a much more lower market cap, you can make money from it. So researching Memecoin is kind of difficult too, but I've compiled some videos that will teach you how to research meme coins, and I'll be making more videos that will teach you how to research meme coins. Maybe I can also join my Telegram channels where we from time to time keep on dropping CAs of meme coin that you could buy. And also I also tend to drop signals from 3D too. And find this video to like, subscribe, and turn on that bell icon. See my next video. Peace out.